I'm Tamika. I've been in the hospitality industry for a few years, but I was out of it before we opened Frankie's.
I'm Tristan. I'm part owner with Tamika and come from construction, so this was a hobby at the start.
The style that our restaurant is obviously Texan style barbecue. We keep it traditional. We use our local wood, ironbark, and we use salt and pepper, and that's true to Texan style low and slow barbecue. Brisket is probably one of the big things why people come in here. And it's also too, people will always usually choose beef over pork. Brisket would have to probably be one of my favorites.
Yeah, brisket would definitely be one as well. When we started the business and looking into the seasonings and everything, we just wanted to keep it simple for everyone.
We did a lot of different trials. We played with many different things until we actually hit the flavor profile that we were after.